Okay, so basically we use these strips all the time, just on the edge of stairs and steps. They're an affordable way to provide maximum P5 slip resistance. We use a product called SOUDAL adhesive, and we're just going to give you a demonstration of how tough that product is. We've actually applied SOUDAL adhesive to the back of this stair strip, which is made of carborundum, P5 slip resistance. And Jeff, you're just going to lift it up.
12 hours later.
12 hours later. Whoops, can't see it. Okay, that is the brick.
And you cannot.
And cannot pull it off. Don't swear.
Totally impossible.
Okay, can you turn it around? Okay, hang on a sec. Hang on. Yeah. No good. So, alrighty. So, do you want to just lift it up again, please, Jeff?
Yep.
Okay. And that's it. So you can see how strong it is. Thank you.